Let's practice counting the number of blocks. Look at each set of blocks and indicate the number of blocks used. Let's see how many blocks are used here. 1, 2. 2 blocks are used. How many blocks are used? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blocks are used. How many blocks are used this time? Let's count in layers. 3 blocks on the first floor, 2 on the second floor, and 1 on the third floor. Altogether, 6 blocks are used in total. Now let's try a more complicated one. There might be some parts or blocks that you cannot see. Be careful with them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 blocks on the first floor and 2 on the second floor. In total, there are 6 blocks. How many blocks are used to make this figure? Let's count each floor. How many blocks are used on the first floor? You can only see 2, but blocks are stacked on the second and third floors. This means that a block has to be hidden underneath, even though we can't see it. So there are 3 blocks on the first floor, 1 on the second floor, and another one on the third. In total, 5 blocks are used. How many blocks are used here? Let's look at the first floor first. 2 blocks are visible, and we can imagine another 2 underneath the second floor. So 4 on the first floor and 2 on the second floor, to make 6 in total. Last problem. How many blocks are used? We can only see 3 on the first floor, but we can imagine 2 hidden blocks underneath the stacked figures on the second floor. So 5 blocks on the first floor, 2 blocks on the second floor, and 1 on the third floor. Altogether, 8 blocks are used. Great job!